Hey guys, today we're gonna show a comparison between the iPhone 6s versus the iPhone 5s. The iPhone 6s is a 64 gigabyte version because we need to show the speed difference between the 16 gigabit model versus the 64 gigabit model. So now I'm gonna show you some specifications of the iPhone 6s. So the iPhone 6s has a connectivity of up to LTE. It was announced on 2015 September. It has a resolution of 750 into 1334 pixels. It does have multi-touch. Protection is also provided. iOS 9 is there. It is upgraded to iOS 10, which is done. It has a dual core 1.84 gigahertz twister. It has 2 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. It has 12 megapixels of primary camera, plus it has autofocus plus dual shot. Now we're going to tell you the specifications of the iPhone 5s. It comes up to a connectivity of LTE. It was announced on 2013 September. Status is that it is released and is available at all stores. It has a nano SIM, which is same as in the iPhone 6s. Both are single SIM. You can't insert the micro SD card, neither the SIM. It has an 8 megapixel of primary camera. It comes with an iOS 7 upgradable to 10.2, which is done. It does not have a card slot. It has an internal memory of 16 gigs with 1 gigabit of RAM, which is less than the iPhone 6s, which has the 2 gigabits of RAM. Alert types are vibrations and ringtones. Loudspeakers are available. 3.5 headphone jacks are available on both the devices. It has 1.2 megapixel front camera, which is the same on the 6s, but the 6s has sensors of proximity and auto correction. The battery is up to 250 hours on standby. Talk time is 10 hours and music plays 40 hours, which is a bit less than the iPhone 6s. So guys, now we're gonna show you the booting up of both the devices. Let's see who comes first. 1, 2, 3, go. As you can see, both the devices are on 10.2 iOS versions. As you can see, the iPhone 6s has booted faster than the iPhone 5s. This is because the 2 gigs of RAM and the processor installed on the iPhone 6s rather than the iPhone 5s. Both have fingerprint sensors installed. So now guys, we are going to show you quick tests between opening the apps and closing them. So now let's get started. First, we'll do by the settings app. 1, 2, 3, go. As you can see, sorry. So one, wait, just. So now we're gonna go through a quick app test between the iPhone 6s and the iPhone 5s. First, we'll do with the settings app. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, go. So you can see that the iPhone 6 loaded a bit earlier. Now we're gonna go up with the Safari app. 1, 2, 3, go. As you can see, it may depend on your net load, but you can see that it opened a bit faster in the iPhone 6. Now we're gonna go up with the camera. We're gonna hold it in our hands so that it comes with the camera. 1, 2, 3, go. You can see it's bit same, but usually faster on the iPhone 6. Now we're gonna go and open the App Store. 1, 2, 3, go. You can see the loading emblem came first on the iPhone 6. I'm gonna get this off. Now we're gonna go up with the clock. 1, 2, 3, go. You can see the iPhone 5 was a bit faster. Now we're gonna go with some third-party applications like games and all. First we're gonna go with Mini Militia. 1, 2, 3, go. As you can see, it loaded not a bit more faster on the iPhone 6. Sorry for the sound. Now we're gonna go up with phone. 1, 2, 3, go. You can see it loaded faster on the iPhone 6. Now we're gonna go up with the Wink Music app. 1, 2, 3, go. As you can see, the iPhone 6 is fast. As you can see, in all the tests, the iPhone 6 proved to be better. Only in the clock it was a bit slow. That too, I don't know, because of the pressing the app. But if you are a high budget guy, then you can buy this phone. But if you want a mid-range phone that is usable and for your daily life, you can buy this phone. The build quality of this phone is like much better than the iPhone and other iPhones, because it is a unibody. Comes with a nice Apple logo. This is what most of the people pay for. And this, you can see, it is not sleek at all. We can just put, they are not slim at all, but still the iPhone 6 looks great. Though they come with Super AMOLED, no, not with Super AMOLED, sorry. They come with Gorilla glasses. You can install if you want. No back protection, because it is not having any glass body like the iPhone 4 and 4S. So even if it falls from your hand, you won't need to worry, because they are metal body. As you can see, the iPhone 5 proved not to be better than the iPhone 6, as it is the big brother. So the iPhone 6 is available at around 60,000 when it was launched, but it comes with around the price of 40,000 in today's market, and the iPhone 5 was 35,000 when it was launched, but now it is available at 22 to 21,000 on other flash sites. Even if you want to buy this phone, you can see the link in my descriptions. Thanks for watching, guys. If you think it was a good video, please like this video, and if you are new, do subscribe. Thank you.